Easy to install using standard tools. You will need a handsaw and a spade drill bit if you have some tricky electrical supply cuts to make. See pictures. The instructions come in the hardware kit. Put corners on first, then sides. Cut all using a standard circular saw. Hardware kit comes with a specialized drill bit for the color-matched screws. I ended up having extra hardware, but I suppose that if you had a spa larger than a 6 feet by 6 feet, then you would probably be just fine. It took me about 2 hours to do everything, start to finish. Very pleased with the result. These panels will need something to which they can fasten, so you may need to replace any damaged wood framing with some pressure-treated 2x4S. Tip: rebuild and enhance the underlying frame first. Update: after almost a year, still looks great. Be sure to anchor the provided mini joint cover strips in the center and over both sides of joints to be covered. Click on the link below to see price.